Okay, we're here with Angie Vanessita, es su hijita, and she's the artist of the beautiful artwork that was featured at the Tribunal, the International Tribunal on the Arts of Nature. So I'm Aurora with She Living TV, and I'm here, and we just want to ask Angie Vanessita a couple questions. Let's see, Angie, how do you feel being here in Paris, and what do you think women can do to really create a beautiful future on planet Earth?
Please, thank you for the interview, and I'm very happy to be here. It's my first time in Paris, and I think the woman, we have the power to change the world, because we are the who have the power of life, no? We are mothers, we are who keep the home in order, we are okay. Yes, and I think woman, we are so strengthful. We are very strengthful. We have the strength to change and to move things and to create a lot of new alternatives to change the world.
So, and through your art, do you feel that you're communicating those alternatives?
Yes, I design a lot of different works that include the Mother Nature, include that alternative that I say. I'm sorry, but my English is too bad.
Don't worry about it.
Okay. Yes, and I draw a lot of women and a lot of agroecologists things and bicycles and a lot of green alternatives.
Yes, I love your artwork.
Yes,
and you have a website, yes?
Yes, my website is angievanessita.tk.
ANGIEVANESSITA.
Yes.
And dot
TK.
What is that?
T?
I know, come back, that's beautiful. Yeah. What is TK?
It's a free domain. TK is a free domain, so...
Okay.
Yes, this is my art.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, maybe I don't have the words.
Wow, look at that one.
Yeah, I...
So strong.
Yes, I don't have the words, but I have this to show.
Yes. Grito de la selva viviente. Scream of the living forest. Oh my gosh, that's Invisión peyote.
Yes.
Yes, or ayahuasca.
This
Nos
is
hace
the
peyote.
Peyote.
Yes. Beautiful, beautiful.
Yes, this was for Nigeria.
Oh, dignity and solidarity of the earth and the waters and all the animals and the
Yes.
Oh, beautiful.
And the people, a lot of women, you see.
Yes, yes.
Working.
Oh, thank you so much.
No, thank you for
Angie.
the interview.
Thank you for being here today.
This is another one.
Keep the oil in the soil and the coal in the hole.
Yes.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Oh gosh, I love it very much.
Every time the women are in the center of the image.
Yes, and I love that we got to meet you and your baby and see you feeding her here
Yes.
today. It really brings it home.
Yes.
That's what it's all comes back to. So
Yeah,
thank you.
Thank you
so
for
much.
the interview.
Thank you.
Yeah.